How you doing? Long Beach Taxi. We're just looking to pick up. There's a couple of people in 225 West Park, senior citizens. They didn't get out.
Sure.
And they're hungry. And so I was looking to get some stuff and just bring it right to the building.
No problem. We'll set you up.
Thank you very much.
Trunk empty?
Yes.
All right. Hop
Thank
in there.
You got it.
Pull up to the cone in the front there. We'll get it for you.
Thank you very much. All right. And good luck and thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks for being here.
Hey, 4 and 4 here.
She's okay. We're going to Jersey. Good luck.
We really appreciate all the help you guys are giving us. It's been really a devastating situation, and we appreciate everything you're doing. Thank you very much.
This is what I got left of my car. I'm back to a red wagon. I was 10 years old. I had one of these. And listen, send me a couple of wallet signs. I'm laughing, but I'm crying, baby. Hey, these trucks got any gold in them? I need 2 bars right now. Take care, guys.
Great.
Any water? Hold on. The strategic replacement.
No, you can't carry that. No, just take that.
That's all right. No problem.
Thank you. Plenty.
I think that's good.
This car's 1 and 1.
1 and 1 each car.
1 and 1. One and 1.
1 and 1 coming up.
Matt, how are you? Hey, Matt, cool.
Yes, I am.
I'm Ralph Horowitz. Jason,
Yes.
good to see you too.
Jason Scott.
How are you?
All right.
How happy
Come on.
Hey. This guy wants to... I just didn't want to.
Hey, what do you want? The back? Yeah, thanks a lot. You're welcome. Really appreciate it. You're welcome.
Get the water ready?
You want an extra one or no? You sure?
Just one for him.
Okay. No, water? Oh, no. Yeah, I gotta go one for my phone. Thank you guys so much. It helps you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. It's a pleasure. Okay. I'm a local guy. This is my beat. Okay, so you've seen a lot of me. Just one food. And water.
All right.
Yes, everyone.
We're gonna need one more meal.
Water is just you need. There you go.
Hang on right there. I'll take it right there.
I yelled at him. Good?
Yeah, that should be good.
One on one.
1-1 coming up. Water. Okay. Water. Just water? Yeah. Are you sure? Yeah. How many is this? 4? 5.
Thanks for everything, guys.
Oh, no problem.
You guys are awesome. Thank you very much.
Very welcome.